Hello guys, I wanna make a quick video about my 2011 Town and Country. I wanted to add a um, subwoofer, but in order to do that, I needed two RCA outputs out of my stock radio, which I'm gonna keep. So when I opened it, there was no RCA outputs. So what I did, I just got this guy. I'm gonna give it a try. It was real cheap, $8 on eBay. So if you don't have if you don't have nothing at this moment, I recommend you to get not this one, but the one that you can get from Walmart. It's called the Scotch. That has obviously more wires than this because this only has four, and the one from Walmart, the Scotch one, already has blue the blue remote wire that automatically, when you turn on the switch, it automatically turns on the amp, you know. So in my case, I had to get a what do you call that? What do you call it? Fuse tap. That's what it calls. It's that you can use another fuse to basically split it. So I'm gonna attach this to the cigarette lighter fuse. So when I turn on the key, it's gonna be a fuse that's gonna turn on once the ignition key turns on. You can get this. You can get literally this remote wire from anywhere. All right, but I'm gonna just get it from the cigarette lighter. So you're gonna also need some speaker wire, some fuses, because you gotta put some fuses in here, and then you're gonna need electrical tape. And this, guys, if you choose to use them, quick connects that you can literally tap another wire, and you know, and this guy's too. So basically what you're gonna do, I'm just gonna work with this guy because I already have it, see if it works. So at this moment, I'm gonna attach this guys to the rear speakers. You're gonna ask why not here on the back of this harness? Because I was making some research, and it says when there's an amplifier built in your car, you have to get them from after the amplifier, you know. So I'm just gonna get it from the rear speakers, you know. If you don't know if you have an amplifier, so I don't know, which you may not. So on my case, I know I do have an amplifier because I saw it. It's on the driver's side, on the back of the next to the speaker, the rear speaker. All right, so I know I saw it. All right, so these guys are what is it? So the gray is the positive. The gray with white is the negative. I'm not gonna talk about the stuff, but I'm gonna tell you on my 2011 Town and Country. I already test all the two speakers, and my Town and Country, the positive wire color is the green one with gray stripes. Okay, so on the other side, the passenger side, on the back, on the rear one, the positive color wire, it's gonna be the tan with stripes. So yeah, if you have this same car, just do like that. So, and I already went ahead and kind of run the wires. I mean, just on the outside. I'm gonna hide them, of course. I'm not just gonna leave them like that. But I used what do you call it? I used the hole where all the wires come from the front, as you can see. Actually, I was using a screwdriver, so I'm just gonna pull it out. Okay. So I hope it doesn't pinch them. Alright. So yeah. So and I just run it all the way through the back just to see how it's gonna, just to see if it works. Alright. So I'm gonna show you in the front. So I'm gonna show you in the front. So I run my wires through there. I haven't connected them. Well, what I'm gonna do, which one is it? This fuse right here is what I'm gonna be taking my remote wire from. Alright, and the other stuff is just pretty much just basic. If you know what you're doing, you'll know. Alright guys, thank you. I'm gonna let you know how it goes and see if this thing works. But like I said, if you can't, you can just get the Scotch one, because you're gonna save so much trouble having to run this blue wire, and the other one already has it. I mean, like built in, you know what I mean? Alright, thanks guy. I'll let you know how it goes. Here is the final product. It did actually work. That's the fuse that I mounted with the splitter. It did actually work. So let's see over here. I'm just showing the RCA cables out here. It's still kind of mess, but it does work. Alright, thanks, bye. So the one thing I forgot to mention is the this thing works, but if you have a if you have, what's it called, Gabo? So if you have a like I do, like equalizer, you can just fix it right here. But if not, I will recommend you to get the other one converted from Walmart, the Scotch one, the one that has the base control knob with the remote wire. Alright, well thanks guys. Bye.